हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन इन सॉलिड स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम लोग जैक जियोलॉजी क्लास 12 का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर 2016 का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप सभी से निवेदन है कि वीडियो को लाइक एवं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और अपने दोस्तों का साथ शेयर भी कर दें ताकि उन्हें भी इस वीडियो का लाभ उठा सके। तो चलिए वीडियो का आगे बढ़ाते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिस्क्राइब इंपॉर्टेंस टेक्सचर associated with metamorphic rocks. Answer: there are two types of texture in metamorphic rock, and those are faulted and non-faulted. Due to geological changes, these types are created. Again, faulted texture can be subdivided in four parts on the basis of increasing metamorphic grade. This type of rocks have layered or banded appearance. So, point number 1, slaty texture. Point number 2, phylitic texture. Next, sagittose texture. Next, genesis texture. Now come to the next point, non-faulted. These rocks form around igneous intrusion where the temperature are high but the pressure are relatively equal in all directions. Example, hornfield, marbles, etc. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Write short petrographic notes on cyanite and amphibolite. Answer: cyanite, it is intrusive igneous rock that basically composed of an alkali feldspar and ferromagnesium minerals. Next point, texture, phaneretics. Now color, variable but typically light color. Now mineral content, orthoclase with laser to minor paleozaclase. Use flooring, home, hotels, interior decoration. Now amphibolite, a rocks composed largely or dominantly of minerals of the amphiboil groups. Next point, the term has been applied to rocks of either igneous rock. The term hornibladite is more common and restrictive. Now next point, amphibolite is a coarse grained metamorphic rock that is composed mainly of green, brown or black amphiboles mineral and paleozaclase feldspar. Now next point, the amphiboles are usually member of hornblende group. It can also contain minor hornblende group. Now next point, it can also contain minor amount of other metamorphic minerals such as biotite. Now come to the next question, question number 3. Explain the term tenor of the ore. Answer: tenor of ore state that the lowest permissible metallic deposit in an ore, the lowest amount of metal that ore can contain. Next point, the higher the content of metal, better the tenor. Now next point, it is generally expressed in a percentage of metal. Now comes to the next question, question number 4. Describe the mode of late magmatic process of mineral deposit formation. Answer: late magmatic deposit are ore deposit formed by the crystallization of igneous mineral near the end of magmatic crystallization process. Next point, they are formed by the consolidation of igneous fraction left over for the crystallization of the initial form rocks from the remaining metal. Now next point, they differ from the yearly formed magmatic deposit in this way. Now come to the next question, question number 4. Describe the mode of occurrence of coal deposit of Jharkhand. Answer: in India, majority of the coal field are found in the eastern part. The maximum concentration of coal field in the northeastern part of Peninsula Plateau of India. Comparing part of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and eastern Madhya Pradesh and western. Now next point, The 2/3 of India coal is produced by fourth state of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Now next point. About 40% of India's total coal production come from just two states of Jharkhand and Odisha. Now next point. Overall, the mode of occurrence of element in coal are classified into organic, inorganic and intimate organic association. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. Write about the different mode of preservation of fossils. Answer. Fossils are preserved in a two way. Number 1, with alteration. Number 2, without alteration. Preservation with alteration includes carbonization, petrification, recrystallization and replacement. Now, preservation without alteration includes the mode and collection of indirect evidence. Example, tails, footprints. Now, question number 6. Write the geological succession of Upper Gondwana formation with reference to Jharkhand state. Answer. In geology, a succession is series of strata or rocks unite in a chronological order. Rock succession can be seen in order in a road cutting or differ with sedimentary layer. Newer unit will be above order unit. Now question number 7. Describe the chromite ore deposit of Jharkhand state under the following heading: occurrence, distribution and use. Answer. Chromite is the single commercially valuable ore of chromium oxide. Now next point. It is a steel grey, luster, hard and brittle metal which take a high polish, resist transing and has a high melting point. Next point. The property of chromium that make it most versatile and indispensable are its resistance to corrosion, oxidation and wear. Example, West. It is found in West Simbhum. Now come to the next question. Question number 8. Describe the mode of occurrence, distribution and use of copper deposit with special reference of Jharkhand state. Answer. Copper ore is found in ancient as well as younger rock formation and occur as vein and as bedding deposit. Next point. Mining for copper is costly and tedious affair because most of the copper ore contain a small percent of the metal. Next point. India has a low grade copper ore. Next point. Third in production. Next point. Simbhum is the most important copper producing district. Next point. Found in Hazaribagh district, Santhal Paragan and Plamur district. Now question number 9. Give an account of morphological feature of gastropoda group of fossils. Answer. Gastropoda are asymmetrical mollusca that underwent erosion. The body is generally divided into two main regions: first head, foot and second mental, including cell, mental cavity and visceral mass. In most gastropoda, the muscles foot is the locomotion organ. Gastropoda mainly crawl, attach or burrow using the foot. Next one, the term gastropoda has been coined from the Greek word gastro means stomach and podos means food, which refer to the presence of food on the ventral part of the animal. Now come to the next question. Question number 10. Describe the Archean rock of Jharkhand state with a reference to lithology, geographic distribution and economic importance. Answer. Archean rocks are the known as Precambrian rock are the oldest rock of the earth crust. The Archean period cover 86.7% of the earth. This period marked the development of first photosynthesis, the life support atmosphere. Now next point. The major characteristic of the Archean rock is that they are azoid. Now come to the next question. Question number 11. Difference between sedimentary, igneous and metamorphic rock. Igneous rock. Igneous rock are the type of rock that form due to the solidification of lava or ऑर्गेमा, सॉरी यहाँ कुछ दूसरा होगा लेकिन लिखा गया कुछ, फॉर्म फ्रॉम मैग्मा और लावा, सॉलिडिफिकेशन फॉलो बाय कूलिंग. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, कवर अबाउट 80% ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट. नाउ sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock, a type of rock that form accumulation of sediment material, formed from sediment material and mineral or organic matter. Next point, sedimentation. Next point, cover about 80% of earth crust. if के जगह off होगा. Now metamorphic rock. It is formed from the transformation of an existing rock type into a new rock type, formed from igneous rock, sedimentary rock, or an existing metamorphic rock. Metamorphism. Now next point, cover about 12% of earth crust. तो आशा करता आप सभी वीडियो को लाइक एवं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिए होंगे और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कर दिए होंगे. तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर.